Have you ever been trapped in an endless AI chatbot loop, wishing the system would just let you reach a real human? You're not alone. Across many customer experiences today, people are noticing the same pattern. More automation, more scripted responses, more friction before resolution. And companies often describe this as progress, faster responses, lower costs, greater scale. And technically, that may be true. But if you look closer, something else is happening. Customers are becoming more frustrated, more exhausted, and more likely to abandon the interaction entirely. Not because the system is broken, but because it may be working exactly as designed. Today we unpack that contradiction, the incentives, the trade-offs, the pressure behind the decisions, and what it means for the future of customer experience. Section 1. Customer sentiment. Humans still matter. Let's start with what customers often want. When a problem is simple, automation can be useful. A quick balance check, a password reset, a delivery update, a basic status request. In those moments, AI can reduce waiting and make service faster. But when the issue becomes complex, emotional, uncertain, or personally important, the preference changes. People often want a human, not just because humans are faster. Sometimes they are not, but because humans can listen, interpret context, recognize frustration, make judgment calls, and understand when the real issue is not captured by a menu option. That is the difference. Speed is not the same as understanding. Automation can answer a question, but human service can recognize a situation, and in customer experience, that distinction matters. Section 2. Why companies push AI so aggressively. So if customers still value humans, why are companies pushing AI so aggressively? Because corporate incentives are often aligned, not only with experience, but with cost, scale, and operational control. AI can operate continuously. It can handle high volumes. It can reduce staffing pressure. It can standardize responses. It can absorb repetitive work. And on a dashboard, that can look like success. Shorter queues, more resolved tickets, lower average handling cost, more interactions processed. But those metrics do not always capture how the customer actually feels. A customer who gives up may look like a completed interaction. A customer who stops trying may look like reduced demand. A customer who never reaches a human may look like successful deflection. That is the hidden risk. The system may appear efficient, while the relationship quietly deteriorates. Section 3. The signaling problem. There is also another layer. Market signaling. In today's environment, many organizations want to be seen as AI leaders. AI adoption can signal innovation, efficiency, modernization, competitive strength. That creates pressure to announce AI initiatives, to expand automation, and to frame these changes as transformation. But there is a difference between adopting AI and improving outcomes. There is a difference between appearing innovative and creating real value. And when perception moves faster than reality, risk builds, because eventually customers, employees, investors, and leaders start asking a harder question. Did this actually make the experience better? Or did it only make the system cheaper, faster, and easier to measure? Section 4. Real outcomes and hidden costs. This is where the trade-off becomes visible. AI customer service can create real benefits, but it can also create real gaps. A chatbot may handle routine questions well, but fail when the issue requires context. An automated system may reduce volume, but increase frustration. A self-service flow may appear efficient, but force customers to do more work. And when escalation is difficult, the customer experience can collapse. The problem is not AI itself. The problem is using AI as a substitute for judgment, instead of a support system for judgment. There are also hidden costs: design, training, monitoring, maintenance, security, compliance, system errors, escalation failures, customer churn, brand damage. These costs may not appear immediately, but over time they can change the economics. So the idea that AI is always cheaper is too simple. The better question is, cheaper compared to what? A human agent, a lost customer, a damaged reputation, a broken trust relationship. Section 5. The better path. Hybrid customer experience. So what actually works? Not full replacement. Integration. The strongest systems use AI, where AI is strong. Triage, routing, summarization, simple requests, pattern detection, basic support, and they use humans, where humans are still essential. Judgment, empathy, negotiation, ambiguity, exceptions, trust repair. The key is coordination, clear escalation paths, transparent automation, easy access to human support, better handoffs, and performance metrics that go beyond efficiency, because deflection is not loyalty, speed is not satisfaction, and automation is not the same as value. The systems that win will understand that difference. Conclusion. The disconnect is clear. Companies often optimize for efficiency. Customers often optimize for experience, and those two things do not always align. So the question is not whether AI will continue expanding. It will. The real question is how wisely it will be used. Will AI remove friction or simply hide it? Will it support humans or replace the judgment customers still need? Will it improve service or make customers work harder to be heard? That is where the real strategic issue lives. A call to action. If you're interested in strategic thinking and how value shifts as automation scales, subscribe to SRR Strategic Intelligence. Because once you see these patterns, you see where systems break and where judgment still matters. That's where leverage moves. Like the video, subscribe, stay close. SRR Strategic Intelligence.